did you organize this activity today?
We organized this activity in order to help the child in Cibitoke. So it is really a pleasure to come here in Cibitoke and help the kids here. So the purpose of this activity is actually to help.
It's a great thing, but someone who's watching us from Dikobu TV may wonder, why did you choose Cibitoke province and why these younger children from Scout movement, right?
Basically, we chose this kid in Cibitoke because these kids, they are exemplary like in helping each other. So we came in this perspective of helping them because they usually help each other. So we came here to emphasize that. Yes, to help actually.
So is this activity gonna continue, or it's going probably to stop right here?
Yes, of course, it's going to continue. We have in the future we will do other projects in this perspective, so it's gonna continue.
Is there any appeal or any call that you can probably send to people who are watching us, especially people who are abroad but who don't think about coming here and help young kids like this one?
It's a must actually to think about your country and to participate in the development of your country. So it is really important to think about your country and help and do something about your country.
Me looking at you, and probably everyone who's watching you on Dikobu TV can see that you are a young person. You are among the youth. So some people may think that this activity has been organized by the youth members of the diaspora living in Australia.
Mm-hmm.
Is that true, or this activity has been organized by diaspora from Australia in general?
This activity has been organized by diaspora, but Burundian diaspora who lives in Australia in general. It's not only young people actually, but it's in general.
Is there any last word that you have probably on your heart that you want to share with people?
Yeah, I have a word that I would say, and it's good to think about your people. People who are in your country, and to do something about your country in order to see your country, especially Burundi, go somewhere in the future. Thank you so much.
Are you a member of, that's the last question actually, are you a member of Scout movement?
No, I'm not actually a member of Scout movement, but I love them. I love their activities and all of, yes.
It's cool.